Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is November 1st, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 12.5 points to 30.47, 30.48 per contract. You can see we're bouncing around up here. Either way, we just had the job number released at 8:30 a.m. Market seems to like it so far, and we're getting a little bit of a pop. We will have the ISM number out at 10 a.m., so we'll see if that does shift things a little bit. But so far, the market is upticking after a job report. Now, the job report came in at 128,000. That's a little bit better than expected, but nonetheless, we'll see what we get a little bit later. These markets have been somewhat resilient as of late, and that seems to be the theme, at least so far today. But in the meantime, let's get started with stocks in the news, because that's where we're going to try to make some money. Alibaba is up first. BABA is the ticker symbol there. Stock has been all over the map. It closed at $176.67. Did trade above 182, then came back down and traded below 174. And now it's basically settling in about $1 higher from yesterday's close. So we'll see where we go. Nothing to do in this name just yet. This is probably the most important Chinese ADR there is, so we will definitely be looking at it. This is a stock we play a lot in the live day trading room, so if you haven't done so, come on over, join us. We're having a great 2019. Next up, we want to take a look at Avis Budget. This is getting hit this morning. Stock closed at $29.71, now trading at $26.21. So good little haircut there. The only level I'm seeing right now is maybe around $25.50. After that, you got to go to the low $24 area, probably $24.20. So keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. Next up, want to take a look at QRVO. QRVO is the ticker symbol there. This is an equity stock that is part of the Apple ecosystem, and they're getting a big pop today. Closed at $80.86, now trading at $89.80. So dynamite move for QRVO. Trend is up. I don't see any real problems here. When you look at a monthly chart, yes, I'm going from a 10-minute chart to a monthly, you're going to see if I roll this all the way back to 2015, the high over here was $88.35, and we are above that at the moment briefly. So, again, we're probably safe to say we're into a little bit of uncharted territory here. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. I would not be chasing it, but that is a very, very good move. And that could help Apple a little bit today as well. Take a look at Apple. That's upticking a little bit. So QRVO, part of the Apple ecosystem. And again, great day today so far ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at FTNT. This is Fortinet. Stock right now is trading at 88.10, closed at 81.56. So good little pop there. I'll give this the upside bias to the 91 level. I don't see it really getting much past that. But either way, good move. We'll see if it can move higher to 91 if you own it. Trail the stop loss and see if you can run it up into that $91 resistance point. Next up, I want to take a look at ExxonMobil. XOM is a ticker symbol there. Stock closed yesterday at $67.57, now trading at $68.10. So a little uptick there. Nothing great. I believe Chevron also has earnings today. I have not had a chance to look that one over yet, but it looks like that's trading down a bit. This probably goes down to around 113.25. There should be some support there. Next up, let's take a look at U.S. Steel. I believe they had earnings as well. Stock closed yesterday at $11.51, now trading at $12.23. So I think you're probably at the resistance zone. If you look at the daily chart of this, well, what can you say? It's really, maybe a little bit higher, but I wouldn't expect all that much more from U.S. Steel this morning. Let's get over now to Seagate, STX. We're going to have a gap play for this one. This is getting hit. Closed at 58.03, now trading at 55.75. So, again, we'll be looking to play this in the intraday stock chat room. I have not looked at the earnings. I don't even care. I just care about the reaction. And right now it is trading a bit lower. It did get down to 54.50, so that's interesting in and of itself. I'll have some gap levels for this one. Let's take a look at Cheniere Energy, LNG. That stock's trading at $60.50. I think there's a fair amount of support here. I really don't see this going much lower. Maybe another $1 lower would be the most that I could see at the moment, but you never know what can happen during an earnings announcement. Let's take a look at Floor & Decor, FND. Stock is trading at $40. closed at 45.83, so that's definitely gotten a little bit of a haircut. I'll have gap levels ready to go today on this one. Let's take a look at AIG. This is trading at 51.65, closed at 52.96. So you got a big gap on the daily chart. I think traders should watch that. Let me roll this all the way back. So all the way down here. So somewhere over here, I would definitely get interested in a name. But we'll see if it gets down and we'll see where it goes. Right now, nothing to do in AIG just yet. Here's a stock that is getting absolutely slaughtered. Arista Networks. When you look at the close here, $244.57. Look what it's doing now. Down around 174.50. Ouch. That is ugly. That is a monster decline. I'll have to do a little bit of math on this, but I think I can do it. So again, I'll have a number for you guys in the intraday stock chat room on this one. Let's do one more here and we'll wrap it up. It looks like Fitbit right now is halted. That's been rumored to be bought out by Google. I don't know if that is true, but we'll see if it is. Let's go one more here. We'll do Newell, NWL. Stock right now is trading at 19.73, closed at 18.97. I don't see a lot more upside in this name, but nonetheless, we'll see how it plays out. If you own it, trail the stop loss. I would not be a buyer up here at this level. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures this morning trading lower by $5.90 to $15.08 an ounce. So gold under a little bit of pressure. Where's my gold chart? There we go. So gold selling off after that job report there. So gold getting hit a little bit today, but it's been very strong as of late. Looking over at crude oil today, looks like we have crude trading higher, getting a nice little pop, headed towards that 54.90 level. So crude oil up 60 cents as we speak. So we'll be keeping that and more on the radar. Again, if you have not done so, we're going to have some nice gap plays out here this morning. If you haven't done so, come on over, take a shot at the live day trading room. We've had a great 2019, and we had lots of moving parts in play today as well. So, again, going to try to make some money going into the weekend. With that being said, everybody, have a wonderful session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.